Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off music videos content restriction on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on settings. Now in the settings page, we go down and then tap on screen time. Next in here, we go down to the restrictions section and tap on content and privacy restrictions. In here, tap on content restrictions, then tap on music videos. From this menu, you can select off or on. Select between the two options to allow or don't allow music videos. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.